Why was Romanesque architecture a medieval engineering marvel? Have you ever wondered how medieval builders created such impressive structures that have stood the test of time? Romanesque architecture is a fascinating example of engineering brilliance from the 11th and 12th centuries in Europe. This style combined innovative techniques with artistic design to produce massive buildings that were both beautiful and durable. One of the standout features of Romanesque architecture is its thick stone walls and sturdy piers, which are large supporting columns. These elements were crucial in bearing the heavy weight of the buildings. This allowed for the construction of grand churches and castles that were not only strong but also imposing in appearance. A key engineering achievement was the use of rounded arches, also known as Roman arches. These arches efficiently distributed the weight of the roof and upper walls down into the piers and walls. This design prevented collapse and allowed for larger openings than previous architectural styles. However, windows remained relatively small to maintain the strength of the walls. The rounded arches also created arcades, which are rows of arches supported by columns or piers. These arcades helped support roofs while allowing light to enter wide interior spaces, without compromising stability. Another important development in Romanesque architecture was vaulting. Builders used barrel vaults, which are long, continuous arched ceilings made of stone or brick. These vaults replaced wooden roofs in many buildings, making them fireproof and adding to the overall solidity of the structures. The thick walls often featured a double shell construction filled with rubble, which further enhanced durability. Romanesque architecture was not just about strength. It also included decorative elements. Blind arcades, which are arches set against a wall without openings, and capitals, the tops of columns, combined structural function with visual appeal. These buildings served as places of worship and defense, but they also told stories through sculptural and painted elements, catering to the largely illiterate medieval population. The engineering solutions found in Romanesque architecture allowed builders to create monumental, fortress-like structures that symbolized religious devotion and social power. The ability to balance massive weight, stability, and aesthetic detail made Romanesque buildings remarkable achievements in medieval European engineering and architecture.